Concordia head coach Trevor Johnson, ready to head to your first women's pool play as the head women's coach here. Coach, we got Trinity Christian, Park, and Georgetown on the schedule. I know you've had a day or so to look over those teams. Kind of let me know your thoughts on the pool that Concordia got.
Yeah, well, at this point, everyone's 0-0, so it's a whole new season, and we're going to take it one match at a time. And Trinity Christian has done a nice job all year, and by no means are we looking past them. So we're going to take it one match at a time, one play at a time, and then move on to the next one. And Park, it's kind of a rematch from the men's finals from last year with the same coach, Mike Telemanis, and he's a great guy, and he's done a nice job with the men and the women over there, and so we're looking forward to that match, and then a tough Georgetown team, which is always a tough match for sure.
All right, this year you got a couple new girls coming on the trip. The last 2 years it's been the same crew. What can they learn from all your returners on how to treat this really like a business trip and get the results you want in the end?
Sure, and it's going to be great for them. It's a time for them to learn what does it mean to be professional and take your job seriously, and our upperclassmen are going to do a good job of holding them accountable, and I know it'll be fun for them. It'll be a great learning experience for them, and hopefully we can build off that in future years.
All right, looking on the experience side of this, what does an experience like this mean to your large group of seniors that'll be their last trip to the national tournament? And this is kind of the opportunity for the NAIA to put their quality of volleyball on a national stage. Yeah,
we've had a great success in years past, and we're looking to continue that for sure. And I think with the seniors that we have now, they've had that success and they've had that taste of a national championship, and so I think it just makes them hungrier, and hopefully our younger classmen can feed off that once we get to nationals. And we're looking forward to it. We leave on Friday, and we're going to get out there a little bit early and practice, and it's all business while we're out there for sure.
And you guys coming in as the defending national champions, there's always an emphasis put on looking back to last year a little bit by the NAIA and some of those things they do. How do you keep your team focused on this year and not try and relive last year?
Yeah, it's point by point. It's a play by play kind of mentality, and whatever happened last year, whatever happened at the previous point, it doesn't matter for us. We're always looking ahead to the next point, and so whatever the NAIA has us, whatever they want to do, we'll make the adjustments, and that's what we've done all year. So we're gonna make the proper adjustments, and I know that we're going to compete and go hard for sure.
All right, you guys are headed out the day after Thanksgiving, so we'll wish you safe travels, and we will catch up with you during pool play action next week.